everybody! Good evening! Good evening to my Kuya Pogi! Where's my Kuya Pogi? Where is he? Where is he? Hello! So, saan tayo ngayon, Kuya?
Yes.
So, I still find time to, exercise with my eldest. Kasi usapan na namin to last night that we are going to Villar's Ipag for a walk. Kaya lang medyo na late si maming umuwi because meron kaming activity sa office. So I arrived home like 7:30 or 7:40. And then we hurriedly start walking towards Villar's Ipag. And we are here in this relaxing place. Yan, may mga nagluluto-luto pa na. Yan sila. Ayan, may mga tinda. There. Then a lot of people are also either just sitting or running or walking. A couple of people are also exercising right now. Walking lang kami ni Kuya DM. Magmula Fields or SM Sukat, Villar's Ipag. Diba, Kuya? Anong masasabi mo, Kuya, sa ating adventure for tonight? Saya. Siyempre, may allowance pa kay Daddy yan. So, pagkatapos mag-exercise, alam mo na, bibili ng snacks yan. Mag-snacks kami, Kuya, after exercising. Ganun yon. Babawiin lang din namin yung na walang calorie after. Actually, maganda talaga dito sa place na to. I don't know kung nakapunta na kayo dito. Ayan siya. So, nasa ano lang siya, at the back of SM Sukat. Field Residence. That's Field Residence over there. Back of SM Sukat. Across Petron Station. So, malawak siya. Since close pa tong door, tong road na to, pwede pa siyang takbuhan. So, hindi delikado for those who are running kasi walang masyadong sasakyan except yung mga motor na ano lang, naghanap lang din ng pwesto. Ampay-pampay. Yan, maraming mga nagtatapay. So, sabi namin ni Kuya, we will be going back home at 9 o'clock in the evening. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed our simple video. No filter video, no edit. Yan po yung ating content, no? All natural video. No editing. Even yung mga voices. Hindi po tayo mag-i-edit. So, we will try to really focus on that kind of vlogging. Yung raw lang talaga yung ano natin uploading. Huwag na tayong masyado dun sa mga editing. Kasi, well, una-una wala naman tayong time to edit. Diba, Kuya? Second is, napaka-conscious nun YouTube when it comes to editing and even the music that you are using in your videos. A lot of times, inaano nila, parang pinifilter or binablock. So, mai-stress ka lang din naman dahil hindi mo masyado ma-appreciate yung in-edit mo. So, might as well do not edit na lang. Para di sayang yung effort. Diba, Kuya? So, that's it for tonight. Again, it's Friday night, pero hindi reason yun not to exercise. For sure, other people are enjoying because it's Friday night, nagbabar hopping and all, but it's okay. That's their own way of distressing. But for us, me and Kuya DM, our way of distressing is walking together. And this is also a chance for us to catch up with each other, kamustahan. And then Kuya also is able to share his thoughts pag nagwo-walk kami. I myself, ang dami kong mga creative ideas whenever I exercise. So it's really a win-win situation when you exercise. Hindi lang siya pang pa-healthy ng body, but it's really an opportunity to do deep thinking as well. Right, Kuya? Yay! That's it for tonight. Babush!